All right. Hello, this is Josh at Dream Body Clinic, and I'm here with,
Alright.
it's my son Baron. He's 11, and we brought him today because if we can teach an 11-year-old how to do these exercises,
We
we
can
can,
teach you.
yes. So this is for the upper back treatment, the neck treatment. So we have some neck rehab protocols also. It's a separate video,
Oh,
and
that's
and this one is we're calling the upper back rehab. I suggest doing both of them, this and the neck. So I'll send you that video too, or you can find it on our YouTube channel or on the website. But these exercises are slightly different. So the first one, Baron, go towards the wall, put your hands up. No, stand straight, please. Put your hands up like you're going to jail. All right, so find a door frame and push on both sides just above the height of your head. Push and hold for 5 seconds. So now I need you to stand straight, please. Look, you're leaning. Go over and just push, and you're gonna feel it through here. Like you can lean a little to give yourself a little, but really you're just pushing so you can feel it across the back and the neck there. Just real light. These are really easy exercises. Well, then here, no, let's go again. If you
I
can't
needed
do
to
it,
have a little lower,
okay, no,
and
no,
then I
listen,
can
Baron,
push.
just above your head, right there, and
There,
push.
yeah, I
Yeah,
can push it.
that's where you feel it. See, and that's just above your head. That's exactly what it says to do. So perfect. So good you're here to help people. Next is this one we need a chair. So we're gonna pull a chair into frame here. 1 second. And Baron, I want you to sit in this chair. This is Baron's video game chair. Now, ideally, you would have a chair that has a back that's straight. I don't have that here because you kind of want to actually sit on the ground, Baron, and make this, because we need a flat surface there, a straight surface for your back. So sit straight up, please. Great. And same at home. We want you with your back against the back of the chair, sit in a chair, put both hands on the back of your head. Put both hands on the back of your head. Yeah. All right. Apply a little pressure by leaning your neck back. So now lean your neck back, but still kind of pushing. So you're giving yourself some resistance. Neck. Okay, push, but you're pushing here too. So you're stretching the neck. Like you're doing a sit-up. Think about it like you're doing a sit-up. Back, 1, 2, 3. Go back for 5 seconds. Baron, okay, move. I'm going to show. Let me show you. Look at, think of it like you're doing a sit-up, but you're not crunching. You put your hands, lock your fingers, go back. You're applying a little bit of pressure and then forward.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can do a few sets of those. That'll help with your neck and upper back. Now let's get this chair up, Baron. Watch out. Moving things around. All right, next exercise.
What?
All right, number 3, find against a wall, raise both arms, then pull them down. No, put your back against the wall,
Now,
up, down, up, and down. Now you don't really need a wall to do this, but this way, if you want, you can kind of kick your legs out so it's all there and you're focusing. This one's pretty easy, but that's gonna help through the back and through the shoulders. All right, now number 4, a scapular squeeze. So we're gonna stand up, we're gonna take a deep breath, and we're gonna squeeze our shoulder blades in the back while we're taking that deep breath. So breathe in. As you breathe in, I want you to, yeah,
oh,
pull the shoulder blades. Like, put your elbows here and just go back. Baron, put your elbows. This is a good way to see it. Is like you're pulling a row. You're rowing a boat, but you're holding it. Can you do this? Come on, man. If you can't do it, no one. Look at. Put your arms here, like you're rowing. Okay. 2, 3. Right, like you're rooting for Erling Haaland in Norway, right? Row. All right. So you'll feel that squeeze, that pinch in the back is where you want to hold it for a few seconds. That's the scapular squeeze. All right, next one. Get on your belly and put your hands out, Baron. Straight down on your belly. All right. Put your feet together. Laying down, face down, stretch both arms out and raise both arms off the ground. Yeah, one. Oh, that's tougher than it looks, huh? One. Hold it. Hold it for 5 seconds. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you got it? Try it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, scoot forward towards the wall a little. I don't know if they can see you.
Huh?
Scoot this way, please. Come over here.
Huh?
There you go. Now, there you go. Now raise your hands.
You're letting why? Gerald.
Yeah, it's tough, right? You feel it all through the back here. All right. There you go. So we've got that. And now last one, sit on your butt with your feet out forward together. Sit down. Feet out forward. Feet flat. No, you sitting up. So yeah, right there. Okay. Both legs extended. Touch your forehead to your knees. Put your hands on the ground. Put your hands on the ground. No. Yeah. Now try to get your head to your knees. You're not going to make it, but just try. I know it's just a stretch. All right, but that's good. This is how you stretch out. You just kind of pull. Look, neither of us is very flexible. Keep your legs straight and you can grab under your thighs, but pull yourself forward. You're never going to hit your knees unless you're like one of those gymnasts. Boom, stretch it out. That's going to stretch your whole back. All right, and then one last one that isn't listed. This is one of me and Baron's favorites, is you're going to do the cobra. Show them how to do the cobra.
We're all.
Well, it's really good for your neck, but can you do it where they can see you, please?
Oh no.
Baron, look, turn left, please. There. So now keep your legs on the ground. Yeah, there you go. So you're going to bend up right there. Yeah, but hold it. You're not doing push-ups. Just for 5. Slow down. There you go. Okay, you can get up now. That works your lower and upper back. You don't have to do that one if you don't want to, but do these, do the neck exercises, and physical therapy works, right? Studies keep confirming it helps people heal faster. If you don't want to do these, there's tons of other exercises you can do. Look online. We've worked with Yoni Witten. He is a great movement specialist. He's fixed his lower back with us, and he, again, with other people, and are real outliers that have seen the biggest improvements with disc health, cartilage, ligaments, the tendons. The one supplement I see helps the most is called undenatured type 2 collagen. The stem cells are like the manager. Undenatured type 2 collagen, this is like the building block to build a house. And Yoni has it at painfixprotocol.com. You can also find it on Amazon. There's other companies that sell it. He's really good with what he does. He really cares about the product. It's what I use. And he's got tons of great movement exercises and rehab on his YouTube channel you can check out. Ours are the basic, the easy, it's good enough. If you can get a physical therapist, even better. But either way, do the work. You know, you spent the money on the treatment, the cells are working. They're going to work whether you do this or not, but this can speed it up and give you better results. So we want everyone to have amazing results. We don't want you coming back to do your neck again. You know, some people have to, but we hope you don't. We're hoping when you come back, it's to do an anti-aging treatment, or maybe you hurt something else like a knee or a elbow. So that's our goal. We send out surveys every 3 months. Take a look for those in your email. Please fill them out. Just takes a few minutes. Let us know how you're doing, how you're improving. That's all there. And then call anytime. Truly, I am here for you. Our doctors are here for you. You came for treatment. Our doctors are your doctors. Call us anytime at 888-704-3977. You can also get a hold of us on WhatsApp, on Signal, Telegram at +52 322-232-1055. The website, as always, is www.dreambody.clinic. I'm Josh.
And this has been. We are happy to.
Happy to help. Thanks.